Hi friends, happy 2026. We finally have had some time to get back to unboxing. Here is my latest Amazon package and my dog is here, so hopefully he does not drop my drink. That is really the only reason why I'm worried about him right now. Okay, so let me open this up and see what do we have today. Cool. So I got these pink collagen gel masks. If you've never tried these are really good. I usually put them in the fridge so they get nice and cool, and then I apply them. So I love those. Got a new foundation. I love these the Tarte brand from Fever, and a red light therapy device, which I'm most excited about because I have been contemplating whether or not to get one of these. So I'm so excited that I decided to actually get one for the new year, and I'm excited to share what's in the box and all that good stuff of what's in here. So I'm going to do a separate video for that. So stay tuned. Bye.